तेलंगाना जागृति की सदर कविता ने आज जागृति कारकुनान के हमरा हैदराबाद के इलाके एबिट्स में वाक़ जीपीओ दफ्तर पहुंचकर कांग्रेस कायद सोनिया गांधी के नाम एक एहतजाजी मकतूब रवाना किया। इस मौके पर मीडिया से बात करते हुए बीआरएस रुकन कानून साज काउंसिल ने कहा कि कांग्रेस हुकूमत और वज़ीर आला रेवंत रेड्डी को शदीद तनकीद का निशाना बनाया।
Congress government has given 6 guarantees during the Telangana Assembly elections. Telangana people believed Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji because she has signed the guarantee card. It was widely circulated. A guarantee card was given to every household. It was printed in the front page of many newspapers. That is why people of Telangana believed in Madam Sonia Gandhi ji and voted for Congress party. The guarantees that they gave, saying that 2,000 rupees pension will be increased to 4,000, 4,000 rupees pension will be increased to 6,000, and 2,500 rupees will be given to every woman of Telangana. This promise has not been fulfilled even after 18 months of Congress government. So we are sending thousands and thousands of letters to Sonia Gandhi ji, requesting her to please ask her Chief Minister, Madam, please order your Chief Minister Revanth Reddy ji to immediately take up this issue and give the pensions to the old age people, to the physically handicapped people, to the BD workers, and also to the women for 2,500 rupees.